Here is an app called Stretch, Stretching and Mobility Flexibility Splits Exercises. Welcome to Stretch, the all-in-one app for stretching, flexibility, and mobility training. Whether you want to improve your flexibility, reduce tension, or simply feel better in your body, Stretch makes it easy with expert-less programming for all levels, bodies, and goals. There you have it, created by certified personal trainer, yoga teacher, instructor, and flexibility coach Sam Getch. Stretch offers full-length classes, structured programs, quick routines, monthly challenges, and more to help you build an effective stretching habit so you can move better and feel your best. So expert-led classes for all levels and goals, customizable stretch routines, full daily program for flexibility, mobility, splits, and more. Monthly challenges with prizes to keep you on track, daily session to keep your practice fresh. So here you have it. So then you can just go and install it. You can just go and sign in here. So then you can just go try and create an account. So here you have it. So monthly, 7 days free, then $15 per month. Yearly, save 17%, $150. So free classes, basics, flexibility challenges. So you see this is specifically app built by this fitness trainer where you can just create and see the classes. You can start
Hey guys,
the
in this
morning
class, we're
yoga
gonna do
class,
a
for example. And that's basically, you see the basically full video, 17 minutes, free video. And then you will see basic stretching, flows, exercises. Pretty good overview and just an overview of free classes. Then you have basic challenges, flexibility. And yeah, so unlock all content. If you want to see, you can unlock all content in here. Then there are challenges. Then you can see recently added. And then there is community, so you can see streaks. You can add a new post. You can see posts in here. Then you can see your profile. You can see your calendar. You can manually add session. And that's basically the idea of the app, how you can do it. And then to see some additional. Okay, so you can also see some additional routines. You can stream it to your TV. So quite a cool app. Just follow the programs, and if you want to, then you just unlock the program. And then you just do it like that. So that's the idea. Hope you like it and try it out.